Now, with the ICC cases against President Uhuru Kenyatta, his deputy William Ruto, and radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang, it has become evident that Kenya requires a local mechanism to try international crimes. Hence the proposal to establish an international crimes division of the High Court.
Since Kenya became a situational country with 3 cases pending at the Hague-based court, Kenya has come under attack over its treatment of witnesses expected to testify against the 3 suspects. But during a side event of the recent ICC state parties meeting held at the Hague, Attorney General Githu Muigai did not shy off to state the government's stand on its cooperation with the ICC.
It appears that nobody has ever asked themselves, how did this case get to court if the evidence was in the custody of the Kenya government?
But one pressing issue is the establishment of the International Crimes Division of the High Court, which experts say it is expected to be launched by next year.
It is good and only necessary that we have a specialized division that does not deal with the local matters, that can effectively deal with these international crimes. And the time for that has come.
The ICD of the High Court is expected to complement the ICC in prosecuting both international and transnational crimes. The ICD court will be molded on the standards of the ICC with the necessary modification to suit Kenyans. 6 objectives adopted by the Judiciary Service Commission are expected to be in place. Key among them are the Chief Justice to establish the court administratively, an independent prosecution unit to be established, a fully funded witness protection agency to be established, seeking to amend existing legislation to enable ICD to do its work, and the state to mobilize both financial and technical capacity.
One which is the most recent is what has been already done by the National Assembly to begin considering withdrawing Kenya from the Rome Statute. If that happens, then it means that we have to revisit part of the recommendations that we have made concerning this court being modeled on ICC.
The judiciary, as we understand, has got a budget for it, and it has been set aside to set up this sort of division. Remember, this is a division that will have to be equipped to international standards. So therefore, the issue of just setting it up is not having a judge and going into a court and starting it off.
But there's one major challenge in the establishment of this court. This follows Kenya's concerted efforts to pull out of the Rome Statute, which established the ICC. Once the court is fully functional, it will have a 7-judge bench sitting in 3 panels with 1 extra judge. The court will be based in Nairobi, but it is expected to be mobile. Wene Kamau, KTN.